Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the situation we have with the pound USD. Um, Back then we had a buy trade instead of this area to target this area here. Now we have it that price have broke above into testing this area. Okay, so that is also good because it's a good position to be. But first, what can we see from a monthly time frame? From a monthly time frame, we have it that price is in some sort of push to the downside. Price have been in some sort of push to the downside. And we can also draw a conclusion as to this level here. This is a very key level that have swung down from um, 2016. Then it was a resistance. Market broke out. It became support, also support, and some bit of cluster here. And then market broke up above it, came back, and it became resistance. So we are going to look at this structure as being resistance one more time. And if that could happen, we might just see pound USD make another massive push in order to filling in this half week we want to see. Now, first we are going to draw this half week from monthly time frame of where we want to fill. Okay, from monthly time frame where we want to fill, and that will be the 1.91. Okay, so we want to fill into the 1.91 level. That's what we want to do from the monthly time frame. And from the weekly time frame, what do we see? So let's quickly go down to the weekly time frame and see what kind of price action we are having from the weekly time frame. At the moment, we have it that price is near this key structure here. Price is near this key structure one more time, and we will look to take advantage of it now, and also when market actually shows a reversal pattern of some sort inside of this area. Now our target is to sell price or sell back to here. That is our target. Sell from here right into back into this zone. So from the daily time frame, what kind of price action do we have from the daily time frame? From the daily time frame, we have it that price, since after the test of this structure, did a pullback and then couldn't test back the area, then price broke below. Now price is back into testing that zone, and if price fails to make a break above this zone, I would want to see price falling down into testing at the least the 127 Fibonacci extension and also the 1.61 Fibonacci extension. So the 127 aligns well with the structure which we had here in the market, and that is what we want to see. Great level of confidence, what we want to see. So if we are to open a sell trade now, where will our risk be? Here we have it that this area was engulfed between 1.266, which is the high. So we are going to put our stop loss a little bit up there for some bit of wiggle room. Okay, we're going to give our stop loss some bit of wiggle room to be able to accommodate spikes if they will be in the market. Then our take profit will be the 1.91 level. So if we are to take a trade from here or a swing trade from here, what will our risk to reward ratio be like? Our risk will be 1 and our reward, so this will be a 1 is to 6.23 risk to reward trade. So it's a good position to be and a good trade to take. So I would take that with the students and then see more opportunities to also short this pay into this zone. So for now, until price can break above this structure here, I will look only to sell the pound against the USD back into this zone. So that is what I think of the pay. And from the H4, what do we have from the H4? From the H4, we don't really have much of a structure or what much of information on from the H4 on this. So we are going to take a swing trade as a result of this to target the downside. GBP has moved up against the USD because of optimism of economic resumption after the COVID. And we also know we also know here that far back in 2008, during the great economic recession, that GDP did not do so well. GDP fell after the economic recession from this high and then made this low. Then try to make another push, which also failed, and price did correct before then looking for new directions. So we are going to trade the GBP USD in that regard. So we are going to use that same strategy to also trade the GBP USD with respect to what happened in the past. Just as this, far back in 2008, we had a level such as this, and GBP traded with the aid of that level until there was a breakout and the market then made another side. So we are going to trade the GBP USD on that same regard, and we could expect that history is on its way to repeat itself. So that is what I think of the pound USD. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and always follow me on TradingView and also on my Telegram page to also get information and analysis such as this when they are released on weekly basis. Thank you and have a wonderful day. I wish you all the best in your trading life and remain blessed.